Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problems working note of problem number 12, page number 248. Let's see how to solve this problem. Before solving the problem, we need to focus on few important working notes of this problem. Problem 12, the details is given like this. The question: A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet was as under on 31st March 2020. Liability side: trade credit, bills payable, general reserve, P&L account, capital accounts of A and B. Goodwill is given in assets. So in the previous problem, what we have been doing from in the previous classes, no goodwill is given in the asset. In this problem, goodwill is given in asset. Let's see. Goodwill 10,000 is given in assets, buildings, plant and machinery, stock, debtors, cash at bank. Mr. C was admitted into business on the above date for 1/5 share in the business on the following terms. C should bring 60,000 as capital. Goodwill of the firm is 40,000. You need to underline this sentence. So goodwill given in assets and goodwill given in adjustments. So we need to create the value of the goodwill here. This is a problem of creation of goodwill. Plant and machinery to be depreciated by 5%. Create a provision of bad debts at the rate of 5% on debtors. Buildings valued 40,000. So rest of the problem will be same, but the goodwill, working notes of the goodwill we have to see here, and how to prepare the goodwill account in this problem. Let's see how to do that. Here goodwill 10,000 rupees is given in balance sheet asset side. First time you are seeing this. Goodwill 10,000 is given on asset side, and goodwill 40,000 rupees is given in adjustments. So how you are going to create the goodwill means, in the previous balance sheet the value of the goodwill is 10,000. The present value of the goodwill is 40,000. So how much it is created? Goodwill created is nothing but from this value in adjustment, which is given 40,000. 40,000 minus 10,000 is 30,000. 30,000 is the creation of goodwill, which is going to be distributed to A and B according to their ratio. A is to B, and the ratio is given like 3:2. So A ratio is nothing but 3/5 and B ratio is nothing but 2/5. How much is the goodwill created? You need to distribute this 30,000 to A and B. Creation of goodwill distributed to the partners. So 3/5 into 30,000 equals to 2/5 into 30,000 equals to 5 ones are 5 6 are 1 2 3 6,000. 3 into 6,000 18,000. So 18,000 to A. 5 ones are 5 6,000. So 2 into 6 12,000 to B. A 18,000, B 12,000. You have distributed this 30,000 to A and B. Let's see how to prepare the goodwill account here. To balance brought down. How much is given in balance sheet asset side? 10,000 rupees. So write here 10,000. Brought down the balance from the asset of goodwill. To balance brought down 10,000 rupees here. Now that creation of goodwill 30,000 distributed to A's capital account, to B's capital account. A capital account 18,000, B capital account 12,000. Now this is 40,000. By balance carry down is 40,000. This 40,000 you have to show in balance sheet asset side. Show the goodwill 40,000 in balance sheet asset side separately, 40,000 goodwill, 40,000 on asset side. Do not show this goodwill amount in cash and bank account. So this is how you need to calculate the goodwill and create the goodwill. This is the creation of goodwill problem. Problem on creation of goodwill. Goodwill 10,000 given in the balance sheet asset side, whereas goodwill 40,000 given in adjustment 40,000 rupees. So how much goodwill is created? 40,000 minus 10,000. 40,000 minus 10,000 is 30,000. Distribute this 30,000 to the partners according to the ratio 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5, A and B. 3 by 5 into 30,000, 2 by 5 into 30,000. So if you simplify this, you will come to know that A's goodwill 18,000, B's goodwill 12,000. This is how you need to prepare the goodwill account. Brought down the balance of the goodwill. To balance brought down 10,000, which is given in asset. To A's capital account 18,000, to B's capital account 12,000. Total is 40,000. By balance carried on 40,000. Show on the asset side 40,000 goodwill. Whereas you need to show goodwill in partners capital account. By goodwill account, show this amount 18,000, 12,000. Partners capital account. By goodwill account, A 18,000, B 12,000. Hope you understood the problem. Rest of the problem will be same. You will do the problem. I hope you can do that. We will continue in the next upcoming classes. Thank you everyone.